Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, Sin Cristiano. Today we're going to be doing a quiz, an anime quiz specifically. This one is specifically about one of my favorite animes of all time, Naruto. We're going to basically be picking the characters from Naruto. My guess is naming them. Let's start. Ebisu is this guy. That's obviously, right? We know who Ebisu is. Alright, so now we got Ebisu right. Zabuza. That's Zabuza. Shikaku is Shikamaru's dad. Where the hell is Shikaku? Where is Shikaku? Shikaku. Shout out to Shikaku though, he's a good dad. There it is, Shikaku. Suigetsu. I'm pretty sure it's this bitch boy right here with the blue hair. That's Suigetsu. Um, Sasuke, our boy, our emo lord, Moegi. Okay, Moegi's like one of the characters from one of the filler arcs, if I remember correctly. Right? Moegi. Where is Moegi? Okay, I'm just double checking. That's not Moegi. That's Hinata's younger sister. No, that's okay. So we got Kabuto. I know who Kabuto is. Okay, Moegi's the this one is our boy over here's teammate. Kabuto glasses boy. I totally forgot Moegi. That name threw me off. I thought it was someone else. Here's Kabuto. Tayuya. Bro, some of these are irrelevant as fuck. Tayuya. Okay, who the fuck is Tayuya? It's definitely. I don't think Tayuya is any of the fucking Shinjuriki at all. Tamari, it's Tayuya. Is this guy Tayuya? Nope, that's not Tayuya. Okay, see, it's one of the irrelevant fucking sound ninja. Totally, like they're cool, but none of us remember any of these three guys at all. Okay, Kakashi, we all know Kakashi. Where's Kakashi? Kakashi Team 10's sensei. Or not Team 10's, Team 7 sensei. What the fuck am I saying? Team 10. Where is Kakashi? Kakashi. Where are you, Kakashi? Kakashi sensei. Yagura. Okay. Yagura. Cause I got to Moegi and Tayuya wrong. Yagura can either be one of these dudes. Where the hell is Yagura? That her? Okay, so I knew he was one of the Jinchuriki. I thought it was either her or him or her. Yagura was the fucking Water Village's fourth whole. I think not fourth. No, not the fourth. Third Mizukage or something. Yeah. Udakata. Utakata. Udakata. Where the fuck? Udakata, bro. Where the hell is he? Udakata. Why can't I remember what he looks like? There's Sai. Udakata. There's our boy, the Shichikage. The Raikage. Killer B. Utakata. Naruto interacted with him. I'm just trying to remember. Utakata no Hinata. Utakata. Yeah. Okay, see, this is the one of the filler guys, one of the filler Jinchuriki. I keep getting the Jinchuriki wrong. That's Tsunade, Madara. We all know who Madara is, bro. If you get this one wrong, if I got that one wrong, I'm an idiot. Where's Madara? Madara. Did they put him next to the Hokages? No. Where's Madara? There it is, Madara. Yahiko. There's Yahiko. Nagato. Yep. Orochimaru. I know those guys, surprisingly. Orochimaru. Where is he? Where's his snake at? Like, here's Orochimaru. Hizashi. 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 None of these guys look like Hizashi. That's not their names. Unless Asuma. Um. Kankuro. Hizashi, bro. Who the. No. Yeah? Oh, irrelevant brother. Hizashi's the brother. Hinata's father's brother, and our boy Neji's father. I totally forgot. Kakazu. Who's Kakazu? Jugo. Yugo. There you go. Zaku. Zaku? Who the hell is Zaku? It's not one of the. It's definitely none of these guys. I know these guys. Um, Zaku. It could either be glasses guy or this guy. Again, irrelevant sound ninja. Why are we putting them in here? Killer Bee. Okay. Sakura. It's over here. Hiyashi. Okay. This is Hiya. Okay. Hiyashi. Hiyashi Hizashi. I totally forgot about that. Guren. Guren. Oh. Okay. Another filler arc character that, like, let's be honest, I skipped this arc. I could have cared less about this character. Sakan and Ukan. Okay, this one should be easy because there's two people. There should be two people in the photo. So Saka and Ukan. They're not, and there's most of these are just one person. So I think it's this one. Yeah, Saka and Ukan. Kiba, dog douchebag. Minato, fourth Hokage. So we have Neji. Where's Neji? There it is. Yugao. Yugao. Is it one of these guys? No. Yugao. Maybe it's this guy. Okay, again. She appeared for one episode. How am I supposed to remember her? Mizuki. Oh fuck. Okay. Not. Not her. Not. I'm not. It could be her. Not her. Definitely not her. Nope. Nope. Okay, it could be her. Nope. Nope. Mizuki. I don't think that's her name. So I think a process of elimination is definitely not her or her. I think it's. Oh right. First episode guy. I totally forgot about his bitch ass. My guy. Okay, we know who my guy is. Where is my guy? Oh, there it is, my guy. Itachi. Obito. Baki. Baki? Is that the bone guy? Oh. Again, irrelevant sensei guy. Though a lot of people would know who he is. Toby Hinata. Shino, we know Shino. Granny Chio. Of course we remember Granny Chio. See, she's more relevant than this guy, than Baki. Who the hell remember that guy? Danzo. Remember Danzo. Shisui. Where's Shisui? Above him. Shisui Shikamaru. Over here. Choza, that's Choji's father. Kurenai, that's right here. Rock Lee, right here. Pain. That's Yakiko, but Yakiko's corpse. C. Okay, the just the letter C. Uh. Oh right, yeah, no. C has to be like these guys, right? Because they have B as in B. This guy's A, and I don't remember who's C. Is this guy C? Oh, it was the blonde guy. Okay, I knew it was one of the fucking Cloud Village guys. Naruto. I was obviously Toriyama. Owl. Owl means blue, right? Uh, oh, okay. Jirobo. Oh, Jirobo. I don't know who Jirobo is at all. Jirobo. I'm trying to recall Jirobo. Owl again, I think only appeared in a couple episodes, and I think he didn't have much impact. They killed him off with Shikaku, but I didn't remember his name at all. Oh no, they didn't kill him off. He survived. He's the only one that survived that. Jirobo is definitely one of these bad guys. No, that's not him. Not him. Not him. Not him. Not him. Not her. So he has to be one of these guys. Yeah, that's Jirobo. Dosu. Dosu. Oh, another Hanabi. Okay, Hanabi. I'm pretty sure is Hinata's younger sister. A. That's the Raikage. A and B and then C. Okay. Roshi. Who's Roshi? Who the hell is Roshi here? That's not Konohamaru's friend's name, right? No, that's definitely not Roshi. Um, yeah, it's Sasori. Here's Sasori. Sakumo. Sakumo. That's not this guy's name, is it? Oh, I ran out of time. Okay, so we got 42. The average is 57. I totally ran out of time. I totally forgot. Let's replay and redo it again. Redo it again. We got 12 minutes. Let's redo it again. Let's go. Okay, Yugao. Yugao definitely has to be one of these guys. Hold up. Oh, right, again. Jirobo. That guy. Konan. Onoki. That's this guy. Sakumo. Oh, that's his dad. That's Kakashi's dad. I don't even think I don't remember them mentioning his name. So we got Sue down here. Rock Lee. Where's Rock Lee? Rock Lee. Aoba. Oh. Shino. Neji. Yugo. I remember. I know Yugo. Shikaku. Where's Shikaku? Sai. Guden. Uh, yeah, okay. Second. Dosu is this. Oh, right. The other son ninja. Minato. Zetsu. Kankuro. Choza. Kidomaru. That's Akamaru. What the fuck is Kidomaru? Where is there a Kidomaru? Oh. That's the Omui. Mizuki. I think Mizuki is a boy, right? Oh, no, yeah. Kimimaru. Kimimaru. Jiraiya. Obito. Hiyashi. Tobi. Ebisu. Iruka. Zabuza. Fu. Oh, it's this guy. Okay, it's her. Sorry. Sasori, Kurenai, Sakura, Hashirama. Here's Hashirama. First Hokage, Madara. Hashirama's rival. Turune. Oh, that's that was Shino's friend. Udon. Who else? Udon. Him? Oh, see, they come up with these dumb names. Toyuya is one of the irrelevant sound ninja, right? Yeah. Akamaru, that's the dog. I don't know why they give him Itachi. Kakashi. Hidan. Hidan. Hayate. Hayate. I think this is Hayate. Yeah, Hayate. I remember him. Naruto. Danzo. Baki is one of the irrelevant guys. Where is he? Right? No, that's Owl. Where's Baki? Oh, yeah. Darui. That's this guy. Yamamoto. That's the next leader behind Kakashi or Yamamoto. Where is he? Where's Yamamoto? Where is he? Oh, there. I couldn't find him. I thought this was him. I know Yamamoto. She's in a right here. Han. Oh, okay. Hino. My guy. Nagato. Kushina. That's Naruto's mother. Temari. There it is. Deidara. Kakuzu. Konohamaru. Choji. Inuichi. That's Zeno's father. Kabuto. Ibiki. Here's Ibiki. Okay. Tobirama. Hiba. Isui. The one thing. Mei. Mm, okay. I knew it was either her or her. I forgot her name. Okay. Kisame. Here's Kisame. Chojuro. Chojuro? Who the hell's Chojuro? Okay. Yeah, the glasses kid. Moegi. Okay, we remember her. That's her. Zaku. Uh, okay. Sasuke. Saku's a relevant guy. I just guessed because I know the other people characters' his name. Orochimaru. Rin. Here's Tsunade. Tenten. Has that goddamn, swing has more screen time than her. Kin. Kin? Where's Kin? Kin. I think it's one of the irrelevant Hisashi's. Remember, it's the brother. Fu. Fu Yamanaka. Oh, it's okay. So they're both from the same village, and they both share the name Fu. I don't remember these characters all that much. Yahura. Okay. See, okay, this is Anko. Hiruzen is the third Hokage. Hanabi. Hinata's sister. Roshi. I remember Roshi because, Gara. Okay, we remember. We all know Gara, right? Fourth Hokage. Where's Gara's phone? Oh, there he is. C. This guy's C. Yahiko. Where's Yahiko? Yugito. Yugito. Yeah, it has to be her. Yeah. Okay, Karen. There's Karen. Utakata. Utakata. Where's the... That's Granny Chio. That's Alba. Who's Utakata? Who am I missing? That's Pain. That's not Utakata. That's someone else. That's not her. That's not their name. Where is the thing? Oh, here it is. Chiyo, Shikamaru Hinata. Those are I know this. Killer B. This is Ao. Haku. See, that's the name. I was like, that's not. Dang. Okay, so I got an 83% with the average score being 57. After doing the retry, because I wanted to redeem myself, because I know the characters more than the first time. I just ran out of time. So we got Naruto right. We got Sakura right. We got Sasuke. We got Ino. We got Choji. Basically, the main cast except Udon. Dude, let's be honest, this kid barely shows up in the series. Like Moegi has more screen time than Udon. Shoza, Shikaku, and Uichi. I recognize those names because they're G's. They're great dads. So Sakumo, they mentioned him once in the Gara arc, but I don't remember them mentioning his name, so that's like my bad. I should have known it was Sakumo, but they never mentioned his name. They just called him the White Fang. So I didn't know his name was Sakumo. Hanabi. I remember Hanabi being Hinata's brother. Hiyashi and Hizashi, despite me getting it wrong in the first time, because I didn't recognize Hizashi. I knew who Hiyashi was. So Shizune, we all know Shizune, Tsunade's attendant. Sai, we know our boy Sai. Hayate, I just guessed on that one and I got it right. I didn't remember Hayate. We all know four Hokage, no, the five Hokages, and Hashirama, Tobirama, Hiruzen, Minato, and Tsunade, not Tsunade. Kirby Sage, Jiraiya. I knew Yamato. I just I couldn't find his picture, and I clicked EB by accident. I remember Ebisu because I remember his name. Iruka. I remember Rin. There's the whole crash off because of her. Remember Gara, Kankuro, and Temari. Kushina, of course, Naruto's dad. Onoki. His name, the Shuchikage is a badass, so I was of course gonna remember him. Darui and Omoi, I remember their names because I remember A saying them a lot. I didn't know who C was before, but now my guess was one of these three, and C turned out to be the blonde guy. Our boy B. Baki's still irrelevant. I got it wrong again because I forgot him. Chio. Yeah, I didn't know her the Mizukage's name yet. I don't remember her name. Makes sense. It's May. I remember Onko. Torune was a filler guy, so of course I wasn't gonna remember his name. Ibiki, of course, the guy that likes to torture people. Aoba, I wasn't gonna remember him. Utakata, I got him right based on the process of elimination. Roshi was a badass, so of course I remember his name. Shisui and Ao and Chojuro. Ao, I got it right again because I remembered it. Shisui, I know Shisui. Chojuro, I remember his name and then remember it getting said in like one of the episodes and how much of a pussy he was. I got all these characters again, filler or they're only shown once and are never talked about again. Yugito, I almost a guess. I know Donzo thing. All the Sound Ninja are all guesses. I knew Sugetsu because of his melting. I knew Orochimaru and all those guys. So yeah, I think I did pretty well. But anyway, I had fun doing this video. I hope you tell me what you guys would have gotten. I'll even put the link to this quiz in the description so you guys can try out, and then put your score percentage that you got out of 100 in the comment section down below to see how much better you did than me, or if you guys did just as well as me. I don't know. But anyways, as always, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, I would appreciate if you guys leave a like. Comment for the sake of the algorithm, and subscribe. And as always, guys, remember, buenas tardes, buenos días, y buenas noches from wherever you are, and adios.